Boop. Nice.
Nice.
Pretty nice. Okay, we're banging this, making a hole,
And
shaving it off.
And again, the same idea. Just
Oh, it's just
with
for soldering things. Okay, I was confused. I thought you were gonna show me something new.
Oh, they make it directly on the thing. You know.
Yeah,
Mhm.
that's a cool tool for stripping your wires.
Yeah.
For sure. I like that.
Yeah.
I like that a lot.
Wow.
That's awesome.
That's smart. Look at that. And looks done.
Oh, I want to do that. I want to test that so bad. That looks good.
Need to test.
We need to test it
It's a way to how to connect them.
to compress it and make it strong.
Because you need the special tool, but if you doesn't have the special tool, you can use a nut. Right.
Use a nut.
Yeah.
When in doubt, use a nut.
Yeah.
When you're in a rut, use a nut.
Uh-huh.
Looks like hair braids. I feel like we're gonna braid them. Technically, wire work is just hair braiding with metal. If you think about it, shower thoughts. Think about it.
yes, there is something. Oh,
So they use that whole thing to disintegrate the foam.
okay. It was a
Ooh.
styrofoam, right?
Yeah.
To make it glue. Oh.
Ooh. I don't know how I feel about that one.
Just nice way to isolate your wires.
Gotta isolate those wires.
I guess. It's a poor connection. There.
Ooh.
Wow. So many
What are we
actions
doing
which
here? With a magnet. Wow, that's pretty smart.
That's pretty, but
There's a lot of
Yeah.
test-worthy things in this video.
you need to.
Ooh.
Well, oh. Okay, yeah. Why are they doing that? Oh.
Okay. Ooh,
What?
little dippity dip.
Dippity-dip-a-dip-a-dip.
Kind of good. Okay, so we're getting some wires together, heating them up.
And using the sparks.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, so we're getting these wires. They look a little messy. What are we gonna do? We're gonna coil it around.
Yep.
Make them hug.
Yeah, and melt it after.
Without soldering. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like maybe if you soldered it, it'd be better, but okay.
Okay,
So we want to connect these two wires. We need two ends of forks. That's the only way we can do it.
This is very useful.
Yeah.
You always, when you need to connect two wires, you always doesn't know how to put them together.
Okay,
and
so that's
solder
good.
them.
Yeah, yeah.
So
it's like when I try to touch my fingers together, it's like.
Yep. And you need to.
I need two forks.
Yes. You have two fingers and you need to put something
Yeah,
there.
exactly.
So you can use.
Now I know.
Yeah.
The more you know. Ooh, what is happening?
Ooh.
Oh, okay. So it's
to
like an
protect
epoxy
it.
resin or something. Cement.
Wow. Okay, good.
That's good. That's very
Yes.
nice. Get your wires through those bricks.
Yep. Okay, use some connectors to connect your wires. I mean, this is the best way how to connect your wires.
Yeah?
Not somehow to put them together, to bend them or something. Use this special tool. It's the best way how you can put together some wires.
You guys heard it here, folks. It is Archie5 approved.
Yes.
Okay, now it's waterproof and it looks ugly.
Wow. Wow.
Ooh.
That's clever.
That is pretty
Dangerous,
clever.
but clever.
Yeah.
At the same time. Wow.
How do they know it would lead to that part? I don't know.
I mean, because it's a gravity. I mean, you go.
Yeah, I know
down.
gravity.
Gravity.
I
sorry.
understand the
Yeah.
concept.
And they put another fork to get the.
Ah, okay, got it. Insulating tape. Okay, keep the heat inside.
It's what I said. It's not the best way.
Okay.
Okay, this is the best way.
This is it. Okay, looks pretty good.
Okay.
Ooh.
And
Ooh.
this comes
What is
here.
this thing? I like that.
Satisfying, right?
Yeah, we're gonna break this down,
Okay.
make a coil.
And
Flux.
heat it up.
Okay. Now there was no point in doing any of that.
Okay. Oh, another connection.
All right, so that's pretty good.
That's okay. That's good work.
Okay, we got two wires we want to make hug.
Mhm.
What are we gonna do? We're gonna heat shrink this piece of plastic, which is what all of these have been basically. They're all different versions of this thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're making two wires hug again. Let's wrap them up.
Mhm.
Let's do it. Let's get them a strong connection. We want them to be soul partners. Okay.
Again, want to mention, it does work, but use a connector.
Yeah, use please.
So upset about it.
Okay, so we got some very unorganized, disheveled wires here. Wow.
What?
Okay.
Okay.
Interesting. All right, keep the right wires connected. That looks good.
I hope they switch off the electricity.
Yeah,
before
me
doing
too.
this. But the thing how, in the way how they did this,
Yeah.
it's look like they don't.
I mean, it would be shocking
But-
if they didn't.
Yeah, maybe it's
shocking.
Yeah, shocking. We are shocking. We tested with the butch this hut.
Okay, cool. That looks good.
Yeah, nice work.
Just to thread your wires, gotta do it. Sometimes you gotta do it. Be careful with your finger, buddy.
Yep.
Ooh, what is
Okay.
this?
Okay, to make perfect, end of the wire to connect it in such a thing.
And now it's
You
waterproof. Interesting.
They put it in a gel.
Yeah. But it was still liquidy when they put it underground, so I don't know. Maybe it was just water. They're like,
It's not the water.
I guess it's waterproof. I guess we can just cover it in water. That's good.
Never put your wires in water if they didn't protect well.
That's kind of nice.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, baby.
Yeah.
Nice. It's what we need.
Yeah.
Just a satisfying thing. Oh.
Okay, get some tin. We're gonna solder more wires.
We saw it, but
Make them into Wolverine. All right.
nice.
Isn't that impressive? This is classic. I've seen this a couple times. Very nice.
Very nice, and we tested, and it works.
Yeah.
But the thing is, it's not very tight. I mean, the connection.
Yeah. So
But it
it's
could be tight.
it just looks nice. If you want to satisfy that wire itch, that's it. Just get a fork.
No, it's kind of.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah,
With a heat gun, right?
yeah. It's just to speed up the process.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, so now we're shaving down this.
To connect
Okay.
this kind of wire.
Interesting.
Because it's really complicated to connect such wires between each other,
Yeah.
right? I mean, you couldn't make a knot there; it will
True,
be
yeah.
destroyed. So nice.
Okay, we're soldering this.
Just a cup with the soldering.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boop. Nice.
Nice.
That's pretty nice. I want to put my hand in it and make my hand all shiny.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
It's like Wolverine, how his like bones were covered in adamantium or whatever. That would be sweet.
I think it does work like so.
It works like
No.
that. Let me dream, Archie. Let me dream.
Okay, you can dream and leave it on the dream part.
Okay, I'll
you
leave
know?
it in the dream.
So,
Let's see.
you destroyed
Money.
coin?
Okay, that's
That's
maybe not okay.
In some countries, it's illegal.
Yeah, so watch out when,
yeah.
when you're doing that. And don't do it in front of police officers. Don't be like, hey, look what I'm going to do to this coin.
Yeah, you'll go in prison.
Yeah,
most
not
probably.
worth it.
Okay, yes. Good.
Ooh,
Oh,
little
there's
twisty
two.
twist. As a person that isn't
Yeah.
well versed in wire, stuff,
Yep.
this is very confusing to me.
I see. I know a lot, not everything,
Okay,
but
show off. Okay, so
Okay,
we're making a little square
Yeah.
cube thing here. Okay. I feel like it won't work.
maybe. But
So is this just wrapping glue around it?
yeah, and put it in a box. I mean, just to isolate it well, if you put it somewhere. I
So
mean,
that
on the
little
street.
press thing is how they like keep the wire from moving. Nice. We got a key. We got a wire. We got a key wire.
And, okay.
Okay, you can use it to spin your wires.
Yeah, what a waste of wire. You took such a thing
That
to
was a
bend
little
them
bit of
and
waste,
cut off.
yeah. Maybe
Wow.
they can use it for something else. I don't know.
Maybe.
It's not that much though. Easy.
Easy. Okay, nice hot fish. No, that's previous, not this one.
Do what you're meant to do.
Just to hammer everything.
Ooh, I didn't like how it moved so much. That was a little dangerous.
That
Could have spun around and got his finger.
I always afraid such cutters. I mean,
Ooh.
my fingers cut it off.
Yeah?
I mean, I cut it
Okay.
many times.
I'm like, you still look like you have your fingers.
Yes, I do, but
That's
you know,
good. That's lucky.
I was on that moment to lose it.
Let's keep it that way.
Yeah.
Everybody, let's
Be
keep your fingers
careful.
if you can.
Be careful with the cutter.
Copper wire. Uh-huh.
On the soldering iron.
Ah, so now it's a soldering tool. That's pretty neat.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, nice.
Wow. Okay, good repair hack. Oh,
Some tape.
some
All right.
tape.
Okay.